beautiful. So this is the start of the factory.
Yeah, yeah. So we can produce so many varieties of tea. Green tea and black tea both we produce from the same green color tea plant, but two different process.
Okay.
And these two are very rare and very special kind of tea grown in Sri Lanka. This is golden tea. This is silver tea. To produce this special tea, we use only this tip, not the leaves, only the tip.
Okay.
And never go under any process, only dry by sun. After sun drying, the tips automatically convert to golden and silver color. These two contain more tannins. Do you know about tannin?
Yes, yes. It's a caffeine.
Yeah, coffee contain caffeine like tea contain tannin. So these two contain more tannin, more than 97%. So we call as decaffeinated tea. So these two can react against diabetics, cholesterol, heart diseases, losing body weight and growing antioxidants.
So I'll just follow you.
This is the first step of producing black tea. We call as withering process. Withering means reducing moisture of the tea leaves. After pluck the tea leaves, we bring to the factory and spread here. After switch on these blue color fans, air blowing through the tea leaves. So tea leaves dry up 18 to 20 hours. And every 6 by 6 hours, we need to turn in by hands. Here we remove 45 to 50% moist of the tea leaves. As an example, if you put 10,000 kilos, after withering process, it becomes nearly 5,000 kilos. Half of the weight, because we remove nearly 50% moisture. Then we can control tea leaves easily. That's why here we remove 50% moisture.
This is actually tea.
These two are the shoots. After withering process, that withered tea leaves, we apply to the roller machine by supporting these shoots, because our second step is rolling. This shoot is directly connected with the roller machine. It's like a shortcut. So first we collect the baskets and put them into the roller machine. Roller is working like that.
Oh wow. Did you say something about electric
These rollers are working like us in the electromagnet.
Yes.
So small fibers stick to the rollers and separate away. Tea and big stems come in front of the machine and pass to the next step.
Yes.
This is the furnace behind side of the dryer machine. That dryer gets heat from here. We use only firewood as the fuel, no gas and no electricity. We can use any jungle wood, but mostly we use rubber wood, rubber tree. Because rubber is our third crop in Sri Lanka, and rubber is burning long time, give high temperature. That's why especially we use rubber. We don't use any chemicals, but we spray water by supporting that humidity fire fan, not directly to the tea leaves, only for the area, because we want to take moist in this area.
Moist, yes.
It helps to the fermentation.
Yes.
Fermentation process gives good aroma, good color and good taste to the tea.
Yes.
Special thing is we ferment only the black tea, because black tea we produce as a beverage. Golden tea, silver tea and green tea we don't ferment, because that tea we produce as herbal tea, medicine tea. That's why green tea is little bit green color and little bit bitter.
Okay.
After 2.5 hours, that tea must go to the dryer machines for drying, because over fermented tea we don't use. Over fermented tea gives very bitter taste.
Bitter taste, yes.
This is our dryer.
So,
After drying.
huh?
After drying.
Yes, after drying. Yeah.
These two are the dryers, very old machines from Belfast in Ireland in 1938. From our total tea production, 97% we send to the tea auction in Colombo. Because we can't export directly, it's the government rule. So 97% we send to the tea auction, and there are different tea buyers in the tea auction.
Yes.
They buy different qualities of tea.
Okay.
First, second, third, fourth, and also tea dust they buy and mix all. After blending and repacking, they sell under their brand names. So this is our final stage, our grading room. After drying, that dry tea leaves here we separate according to the different sizes. Because the taste always depends on the size of tea leaves. You can see there are different sizes.
Yeah.
These two are the big tea leaves. These two are coming from the first roller, unbroken leafy tea. That's why these two give light taste.
Yes.
And these two are small broken grades, give strong taste.
Strong taste.
Coming from the second roller.
Yes.
And this is the tea dust. It's coming from the third roller. Now you can try nice BOP cup of tea.
Okay.